Hey guys, today we are in the greenhouse and stuff is blooming. Oh my goodness, I walked in, we are planting today and I saw all these blooms from afar and I was so excited, so I thought I want to take you guys on a tour of all the stuff that's blooming today. I just got smacked in the face by a plant tank and got water all over my face, but that happens all the time. So we are going to start with this gorgeous Bermuda beech. Look at that. I'm just going to go through all the blooms and not the specifics of the plants, but these are supertunias. We are beyond filling up with plants in here. You can just see the blooms across the pots. It is so fun. So we got a lot of supertunia Bermuda beech blooms. They just put the sprinklers on, so it's a little watery. And then next to it, we have the supertunia jazzberry. Look at that little sweet bloom. Such a fun magenta, bold color. I love it. We're just gonna pan across all these supertunias because I saw one on the far end. Here we are. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it just got watered, so it's laying down. It's the supertunia Royal Velvet. Look at that beautiful purple. I always joke that the first blooms in the greenhouse are like the first bell of Christmas. And the first supertunia was Bermuda beech, and I think the first calibrachoa was the redstone. Look how much it's filling up in here, guys. We had more in the back. We had to make a separate section, and then we have greenhouse 2. I love seeing all these plants ready to go. Okay, and then if we pan over here, look at this. I've been seeing this for a while. There's several. The Rocapoco Coral Reef. Let's see if I can get to her. Look at that. Such a beautiful bloom. Hope you can see that okay. I'm trying to reach the camera. But there's several of the Rocapocos. They've been blooming for a while, which is interesting because they love the heat. And even in the cold, they were blooming. I want to put these, just like a solid amount of the Rocapocos, in a pot all by themselves. My mom did that last year, and they looked like miniature roses. They were so beautiful. So I'm going to try that this year. Look how pretty that little thing is. They do look like little roses. We are on a hunt for blooms today. Oh, look at this. Surefire Rose Begonia. Look how pretty that bloom is with the foliage. These are like bulletproof plants. They do amazing in the sun and the shade. And they are just really, really hardy. They don't have to have liquid fertilizer if you don't want to, or sprays. So pretty. Very statement-like. Next to it, I'll show you guys. This is kind of a tease. These are a custom order, so they are not on our website. This is the double up red, but they are a custom order, but they are blooming. These are so cute. I think we had these last year, and I love them. Sometimes we can't always get everything just because of room or availability, but we try. And then my favorite is the Selenia Apricot Begonia. If I don't trip over here, I'm trying to get those pots for you guys. There we go. Look at that Selenia Apricot Begonia. See if we can throw a picture up of last year. There was gobs of flowers on her. The picture does not do it justice either. It looks kind of orange, but they're more of like a apricot pinky color. So pretty. These love to bloom their heads off. They're gonna go all over my front porch. I'm so excited. We're going on a bloom hunt. Oh, look at Supertunia Saffron Finch. It's so summery and pretty. Look at that. There's the tag. Oh, that's not the tag. Let's see. There's the tag for you guys. Oh, how sweet. I have not seen any Saffron Finch this year yet. That is so pretty. Here you guys go, Saffron Finch, so pretty. It's just a really pretty yellow. I don't always love yellow flowers, but this is like a buttery yellow, so pretty. Okay, we are panning through more supertunias and for blooms. Oh, I know, aha, I see behind me. Let's make the corner here. Look at those sweet, cute little things. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see my finger? How they're like the size of a dime. This is the redstone, Superbell's redstone. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. I think because they're their first blooms, they're a little extra small. They're really sweet. Cute. This is similar to yellow. I don't love red flowers, but for some reason this one has almost a yellowy pinkish purple color that I really like it, and Luca loves this one, so he planted it last year and I loved it. So cute! Found another bloom! This is the Evolvulus Blew My Mind XL. Look at that! So there is a little bit of frost damage, which it'll self-pinch itself, but look at that sweet, pretty blue flower. I love it. Ooh, I was doing a walkthrough through the perennials to look for blooms for you guys, and I knew these At Last roses would have some. Look at how beautiful that is. Usually they're more of a apricot color, but these new ones, little baby ones, are a little pinkish. Oh, they're so sweet. Let's see here. Oh, that's like a perfect rose shape too. Look at that. These are just starting to be covered. They actually came in with some blooms. So pretty. Let's see if any of the other roses. Oop, got stuck on some honeysuckle here. There's one hanging down. There you are. Oh my goodness, is that pretty? Oh, how beautiful. I'm gonna smell it for you guys. Let's see. Oh, heaven. It smells like heaven. Oh, it smells so good. Just a sweet and delicate fragrance. I wish you could smell it. So delicate. That is my absolute favorite. I planted these in front of the shop last year, and I'm so excited just to have a hedge of them. They make the most beautiful, hardy, they are disease-resistant landscape rose, just a very hardy rose. These are the Oh So Easy roses. I don't see any blooms, but they make the sweetest little tiny pink clusters. Like tiny clusters. I planted a whole bunch of these too. I'm so excited. Okay, I think I found our last bloom. It's one I started one of our other videos with. Is the hellebores. It's confetti cake, and it's tiny and it's adorable. Look at that beautiful color. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm gonna steal all of these. I'm so tempted to take all these and put them in my garden. I'll just show you guys really quick. The Bradford pears are blooming here. Look how beautiful they are. So pretty. It looks like trees of snow. So pretty. All right, guys. I hope you enjoy these blooms. These Bradford pear blooms are above me, and there's snowing petals everywhere. That's hilarious. I hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. It was so fun just to go around the nursery and see all the blooms. There are going to be many, many more blooms coming. So if you guys like this, let us know in the comments, and we can go around and tour all the things that are blooming and just bring spring to our hearts. Hope you guys enjoyed. See ya. Bye.